So today we're gonna be replacing this license plate holder, which has been there from the manufacturing, from the production, and it's actually made from plastic. It's a cheap plastic. It's from a dealership. I didn't like the design, the quality, and the overall appearance, and that's just a couple of reasons why I decided to make a license plate holder replacement. To give you a little bit of background story, I wanted to avoid any cheap materials that either won't last long or doesn't look well on the car. So I started looking for metallic replacement and eventually found out that there is a company that specializes in this segment. So here's the product itself. Very nice packaging from the company, elfix.de. When you open it up, there is a whole bunch of sets of tools that you need in order to install the license plate, a whole replacement package, and these nice, very high quality aluminum license plate holders. In this step, I had to loosen the license plate on these 4 spots. I took my flathead screwdriver and pushed the clips inside to release the pressure holding the plate together. For this moment, we want to clean any mess that was sitting between your rim bumper and license plate. So I grabbed my detailer and wiped it out. In this step, we have to displace the inlays sliding one level below. Take your time and align your holder pieces properly. In the end, I grabbed enclosed Allen key and gently tightened up the plate. Each side took me around 2 minutes, so bear that in mind.
And I hope you guys, you like this video, this tutorial, and if that's the case, give it a big thumbs up, share if you liked it, subscribe if you like it, and as always, I see you guys in the next one.